Ladies and gentlemen, we're over in Cheshire at the moment, doing a Ford Focus 2006-2007 lost key scenario. The gentleman's lost one of his keys, left one of his keys in his house early hours of this morning. So we've come along and we've actually cut the key to the right hand side. He'd lost his remote key, so we're cut, supplying and programming this key here today for the gentleman. So we're all plugged in and we're pretty much ready to program this motor vehicle. So here we go. First of all, we'll start with his key. Okay, right. Like I say, he's got another locksmith coming out now to change the locks on his house. So he's not too happy, this guy, today. Full of beer and rather pigged off. But you can't blame him. Just see if there's any fault codes in this system. No fault codes, that's always a nice signal. He's already got keys programmed too, so what we're going to do today, we're going to delete the keys because he's worried that someone's got a key for his car. So if someone does come back for to have a go at pinching this gentleman's car, they'll have a nasty shock because it won't fit. Right, here we go. Turn the tester off. That's that one done. My new key is in there. Right, now I'm just going to program the remote as well. With all Fords, see the red pat light here at the top, which normally flashes there at the top. When the car recognises it's got the correct key, the light will come on and go off. That means the car will start. If the light continually flashes fast, it means there's an immobiliser problem. There you go, as you can see. Right, now it's a case of So we've got two keys running for this vehicle. Thank you for watching.